Hello, hello. So this time we're going to do a chakra cranial balance around the COVID-19 stress. So just to balance everyone's chakras and get you feeling up and running again. So we'll start at the base chakra. Base chakra communicates with the adrenal glands and the sphenoid bone. And hold.
That's not good.
That's not good. And hold, yeah. So it's in third stage stress. Now, how should I do this? Okay, let's see what flower essence relates to that. Fringed violet. Oh yeah, fringed violet. Okay. Fringed violet is around damage to our aura, and when it just hasn't recovered, and it's been such a weird few months that every week or so something new and different is happening. We just have to keep putting ourselves back together. Okay. Be at peace and see a clear pattern running through our lives. Maybe that's the thing, people don't know what's coming. Be at peace and see a clear pattern running through our lives. Be at peace and see a clear pattern running through our lives. That's a bit wonky. It's not even. It's like it's lopsided. Interesting. Be at peace. That's feeling better. Be at peace and see a clear pattern running through our lives. Hold. And hold. Beautiful. Okay, the next chakra is the sacral chakra. Links to the sacrum in the lower spine and the occiput in the base of the skull. And hold. Also not good. Okay, this one's only first stage stress. The sacrum relates to our masculine, feminine energy. So our reproductive energy. So it's about creativity in life. Oh, interesting. So the flower essence with this one coming up is Southern Cross. It's for poor me energy. So it's focusing on how this is affecting me. 4 drops. Southern Cross energy. I've been hearing some positive speakers out there talking about how we can use this to create our new life. What is it we need to let go of at the moment, because we have to let go of so many things at the moment, and how can we use it towards moving forwards with our lives, which is sort of an interesting concept if it's a bit of a reset, which it sort of feels a little bit like. So the energy coming up for the sacral chakra is I am realizing more and more that I create my own reality. I am realizing more and more that I create my own reality. I am realizing more and more that I create my own reality. I am realizing more and more that I create my own reality. And hold, much better. Beautiful. Okay, the third one is the solar plexus chakra. Links in with the xiphoid bone and the maxilla. Tongue on the roof of the mouth for me. beautiful. And hold. And hold. Oh, that one's in third stage stress again. So firstly I'll do the 4 drops of Southern Cross. So the pull me energy. So solar plexus, it's a sense of ourself, our willpower. It's where we have order and focus and direction in our lives. And it doesn't like it when we feel dominated or submissive, which is sort of how we're feeling at the moment. There's so many things we're not allowed to do and that we want to do. Oh, right. And the energy is little flannel flower. Little flannel flower is about hugging. It's needing softness and kindness and tenderness in our lives. Okay. I now feel free to express joy and playfulness. I now feel free to express joy and playfulness. I now feel free to express joy and playfulness. And tongue on the roof of the mouth. And relax. And hold. Hold. That's second stage stress. So we need something else. Or of the same or of something else. Yes, yes, ours. Insulation chakra. Yes, I'm speaking. Okay, yes, so we need to get some conscious brain energy in there. It's going to be okay. Easy to be playful at home with the puppies.
Well, they're suddenly appreciating the extra attention.
I'll bet. Tongue on the roof of the mouth again. And hold. Beautiful. And relax. And hold. Wonderful. Okay, next one is the heart chakra. So the heart really links to the sternum, and that's where we feel that real tension, anxiety, stress, panic. And the lacrimal. So this one's around tears. And those people who are feeling for everyone in the world who have lost people because of this. The lacrimal, it's where the tear ducts attach, and the heart chakra is one that just feels it all. So there's a real fear of feeling that energy. Chakra is about releasing our compassion, expanding our consciousness, expanding our trust, our communication with each other, and our awareness of one another. Hysteria and hate and obsessiveness shut down the heart chakra, so we need to release any and all hysteria. I release any and all hate. I release any and all obsessiveness.